Okay, so good afternoon class 8. Now in today's class, first of all we will start from the last homework. So let me explain the last homework, that is your enter a number and print their factors. So I hope everybody knows about the factors. Everybody has studied in maths, right? So the same concept which we are going to implement in Java also. So let me share my screen. I hope my screen is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So let me explain here. So suppose you have entered a number n. So in mathematics, suppose the value of n is 10. So what will be the output, Yashvardhan?
Sir, the factors will be 2 and 5. 1, 2, 5 and 10.
1, 2, 5 and 10. So this will be the output. So how many outputs you are getting in this question? Tell me. Absolutely. Starting from? And the maximum is the number itself, whatever it is, right? So that everybody knows कि if the user is inputting n, suppose n is the number of which we wanted to generate the factors. So what is happening? Every time we will generate a loop from 1 to that number only, right? Am I clear? So what we will do? Look at here. So first of all, we will enter a number. So that is common working. Any number. Doesn't matter which number, maybe 10, maybe 20, maybe 100. But this everybody knows, everyone, please pay attention. This everybody knows the factors cannot beyond the number. So the factors, the first factor everybody knows, that is 1, and the last is the number itself. So that means, first of all, we will take the input of the number, that is this, right? So we have entered a number n. Now the first factor everybody knows is 1. After that, maybe 2 is a factor, maybe 3 is a factor. So till the number itself. So what we are going to do? We are going to generate a loop of natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 till the number. So for that, what you need? You will need a starting point, that is 1, and the last point must be n only, because more than n the factors are not possible. And now every time, see, suppose the number is n, so what you will do? You will divide the n by 1, and then you will check if the remainder is coming 0. If the remainder is coming 0, so which one will be the factor? I or something else? Speak up. I.
Yes, sir.
Why I?
Sir, because I is a smaller or equal to.
No. It is not small or equal. I is a number through which you are dividing, beta. That is why. If the condition is true, that means through which you have divided, that would be your factor. Am I clear, Kinali?
Yes, sir.
Mangadia, is it clear? Okay. Chaitan? Beta, I cannot see your program right now. Let me explain this. Very good. Aprajita, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Navya Agrawal? Navya? Speak up. Myra? Okay. Good. So it means how we will write this code. Now see, for checking condition, first of all we will divide number, that is n mod I, and in I we are getting all the factors. If the condition is true, so what you will print? The factors, that is I. And now program is finished. Am I clear? Now see, let me show you the execution. So now suppose you have entered number 10. Now see, the output is coming on the separate line. That is, the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see one more variation. Suppose you have entered number 100. So there are so many factors starting from 1. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, 100. But beyond 100 you cannot print. Why? Because the loop we are starting from 1 to that number. So the factors can be maximum the number itself starting from 1. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Any query in this?
Yes.
No sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, so now just continue the last question. So the next question was, do you remember the next question?
Yes, sir.
So the next question was,
Yes, sir.
Badao, tell me.
Sir, back to print sum of all even numbers up to the limit.
So now the limit is now here, that is your n. But now in this case, we should keep one thing in mind, the limit must be even, right? And now the loop has to start from 2, then I plus equals to 2. Then what you will do? Sum equals to sum plus I. So how many outputs will be there? Only single output. In that case, see here, we are printing result outside of the loop body. Now see. So look at here. So up to 10. So the first even number is 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. So the sum is 30. The sum is 30. Am I clear?
Will happen if you print inside the loop.
But in that case, what you will see? You will get multiple outputs. Means what you will get? You will get 2, then 6, then 12, then 20, then 30.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Let me show you that also. Now see. Now inside the loop, the same output you are getting. See here. 2, 6, 18, 2, 6, 12, 20, that 30. The same output is coming, right? But this is wrong. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Because there must be single output. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, why have equals to sum plus I?
Because in sum we are getting the result. And the variable we have used here sum. That is why. If you can use here S also, M also, U also. That is up to you. Okay?
Sir? Yes, sir.
Yes, Yashwardhan.
Sir, please can you explain again, sir?
See, the starting even number is 2. The limit is given here n. And how you will move? After 2 you want 4. So how you will get? There is a difference of 2. So, pardon?
Yes, sir.
Pardon, beta? Pardon?
Sir, actually, sir, I was saying that, sir, it is the square, sir, we are getting the square, sir. Sir, like 2, then 4, then 6.
Not square, but a square is totally different. Square of 4 is what? Square of 4 is 16. And the even number after 4 is, that is 6. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion in this part, bacho? You can ask now.
No, sir.
So now get ready for the next question. This question you can watch it later also. And now again I am repeating the attendance form you will get after 1:30. So you need to fill after the class only. Am I clear? Don't forget that.
Yes, sir.
Many of you are not filling the attendance form. So you will have a problem in that case. So now get ready for the next question. Now see, the next question I am giving you in the chat box. Everybody please check the chat box. Web 2, print table of any number in reverse order. Just try to understand the question first. Chetan, your was correct, better. My question is web to print table in reverse order. Means like if you want to print the table of 2, so what should be the first output? That is 20, 18, 16 till 2. Am I clear? Everybody? Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Please do it fast and post the solution in the chat box only. And do not copy and paste. Just try your logic. This is very easy one. Hurry up, child. Done? After posting, please inform me. Dev Rajveer Prakash. Beta, it is wrong. Aditya. Beta, it is not a table. It's wrong. Rajveer Prakash. Rajveer Prakash. Rajveer.
Yes, sir.
Beta, your program is total wrong because you are using the C language. This program, this structure is totally wrong. Please write the program in Java only. Other structure is not allowed. In class 8 in Jaipuria, we are using the Java. So if you are writing the program in any other language, you cannot get marks, beta. Okay, don't forget this. This is for everyone. Mayank Chaudhary is there. Mayank Chaudhary. Mayank. Srishti Chaudhary.
Sir, I have posted at my program.
Okay, let me check. Beta, it is wrong. Yashvardhan, it is wrong. Rajveer Prakash, your solution is totally wrong. Chaitanya Singhal, it is wrong, beta. Beta, on this I cannot give marks, please. Just try to implement the concept of table. Okay? Please. It is wrong also. Chaitan.
Sir, can you repeat the previous question?
Which one?
For the last one.
No problem, Mayank, you can watch the recording, right?
Post, please.
Please try this question, table of a number in reverse order.
Sir, what is wrong with my program?
The logic is totally wrong, Yashvardhan. What you...
Mr. Ishan.
Habita?
Sir, Ishan Srivastava.
Where you have posted?
Sir, on the chat box.
Ishan. Ishan, well done. It is, 99.99% it is correct. Well try, beta. Very good.
Sir, what is wrong?
I plus plus. See, after 10 you need to multiply it by 9. Yes. So in the update expression must be I minus minus.
So, sir, while writing in descending order, we have to write I minus 1.
Obviously. Because now the loop has to start from the last point. So the starting point must be 10 and the last point must be 1. So how you are getting the last point? By subtracting that. So in that case we need to do I minus minus. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Look at here. Look at here on the screen, everyone. My screen is visible? So now in this question, see, first of all, the starting point must be 10, from where you will start multiplying. Greater than equals to 1, I minus minus, and then you will get a multiple output. So what you will do? K equals to K into, sorry, N into I. What will be the output?
Now please see our question chat box.
But now look at here on the screen. I will see later. Ishan, only I got your Rudrakshi. Rudrakshi, your is wrong, beta. Please look at here, na? See, if the starting point, again I am repeating, please pay attention everyone. If the starting point is bigger and the last point is smaller, always here in the test condition you must use this less than greater than equals to, and in that case we need to use I minus minus. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Or I minus equals to 1, or I equals to I minus 1. If you want to reduce the value of I by 1 only. Is that clear? And then after we are multiplying the number by 10, you are printing it. Now let me show you the output. All of you please pay attention. Now see, if you want to print the table of 5, so first of all we are multiplying 5 by 10 like this here, then 9, then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope this one is clear. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Good.
No, sir.
Please note down this in your notebook or in everyone.
Sir, I've posted again.
Sir, I got a mistake.
Man Gidia Riddhi Arora. It is Riddhi, yours is correct. Aman Bhargav, absolutely fine, beta. Yes.
Sir, I use I is greater than equal to 1.
Beta, I equals to 1 is wrong.
No, sir. Sir, I think that's why we are using I is greater than equal to 1.
Because whenever see, the number which you wanted to print its table, so you need to multiply by 10. So if the starting point is bigger than the last point, so the last point is here 1 and the starting point is 10. So in that case we need to put greater than equals to. Is that clear, Karan?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir, it should be not less than 1.
No. It's totally wrong in that. Chaitan is single. Your is wrong. Is still wrong. It must be I is greater than equals to 1, beta.
Sir, I posted.
Rudrakshi, your is correct. Bhavni, your symbol is wrong. The greater than equals to like this. It must be like this. Aditya, your is correct. Mayank Chaudhary, your symbol is again wrong. Okay, so now get ready for the next question. You can watch the recording later for this question I have told. Okay. Aman Bhargav, is it clear, beta?
Yes.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
Why did you join late, beta?
Sir, me?
Yes.
Sir, I was there from the beginning.
Okay. So you were there in that question factors one, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now get ready for the next question. The next question is on your screen. Try the first one. We have to print cube of each natural number from n to 1. Please pay attention here. You need to print in the reverse order starting from n to 1. You need to print the cube of all natural numbers starting from n to 1. Suppose the n is 5. So first of all you will need to print 125, then 64, then 27. Am I clear? Then 8. This must be output. This must be the printout output. Am I clear, everybody? Very good. Let me check. The question is clear?
Sir, I have posted in
Sir,
the
I just posted on
Let me check first. Rudrakshi, Ishan. Wait. Ishan, yours is still wrong. Rudrakshi, yours is beta cube. Rudrakshi, you need to print cube. You are printing square. And Chaitanya, yours is correct. Very good. Please try, everybody. Adya Saxena, hurry up. Rudrakshi, now it is correct, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Karan, just try. Don't copy and paste as all of you. Just try your logic. Atibi Sharma. Pardon?
Sir, I am trying my own, sir.
Very good. But and see, I am not blaming you कि you are doing that. No. I am just talking about in general, okay? Don't worry. All of you please. Where? Aditya. Ishan, yours is correct. Rudrakshi, I have told you yours is correct. And Aditya, you have posted the table one, right? It is wrong. The starting point has to 10, not n. Aditya,
Yes, sir.
please do the required correction. Watch the recording later. I have told the program, the table question I have told in the previous one. Okay, I am also telling here. Okay, just a minute. Now in this program, very small correction is required, like this. So you are printing the cube. Look at here, everyone, on my screen. So in this program, the starting point has to n, the last point has to 1 and minus. Why? Because we are working on the natural number, and then every time we are multiplying, means we are getting the cube and storing in k. Then after we are printing k. Am I clear this? Please do the required correction.
Sir, can I send on your WhatsApp, sir?
Why? Okay, you can send it. Now see, the same output is coming which I have shown you. Am I correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
Good.
No, sir.
Sir, I have posted it in the chat box.
Okay, beta. Just a minute. बेटा टेबल ऑफ ए नंबर इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर करण किसका है ये व्हाट्सएप पे बेटा 88476 योर इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज यू हैव यूज्ड कॉमा इंस्टेड ऑफ सेमीकोलन एंड i equals to 10 I is greater than equals to 1 you have missed. Please do the required correction. Aditya,
Sir, I have also considered we send on your WhatsApp, sir.
beta WhatsApp I have checked. I have told. Please pay attention while taking the names. Your was wrong. Kashmir Ratna, your is correct, beta.
So, find the second one which I posted.
Wait. Yashvardhan, in math M must be capital and I plus won't be there. It must be I minus.
Sir, this is my first one. I posted it again. I made the corrections.
Okay. Krinali, your is correct. Adya Saxena, your is correct. Aditya, your is, yeah, it is correct. This is the table one, I think. Vaishnavi Gupta, your is correct. Riddhi Arora, your is correct. Yashvardhan. Yes, but in math M must be capital. Yashvardhan. Mangedia, it is correct. Yash Verma, your is correct. Kashvi, your is correct. Srishti Srivastava, your is correct, beta. Semicolon is missing in SOPLN statement. Please do the correction. Kashvi, Kashish, your is correct, beta. Kashish, only semicolon is missing. Okay, now get ready for the next question, all of you. Are you ready for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Now the next question is on your screen. Now look at here. Enter any even number and print sum of all even factors. Sum print karna hai. In this program we need to print sum. Please pay attention everyone. Suppose user has entered 10. So you don't have to print 2, 4, sorry, not 4. You don't have to print 2 and 10. You have to print the sum, that is 12. So how many outputs? You will get only one output in this case. You don't have to print all the factors. You have to print sum of even factor. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Please pay attention in the question. The question I am posting in the chat box also. Please pay attention, note down the question in the notebook. The question is enter any even number and print sum of all even factors. Got it? And now one more thing, after the class only you need to fill the attendance. The GC on Google form is there in the GCR only. Don't forget today. Many of you are not filling on time. Is that clear, all of you? After posting the solution, please let me know whether you have posted or not. And again I am requesting from everybody, watch the recording, class recording every time. And if you like the video or the recording or the explanation, please subscribe the channel and like the video. And do subscribe. Chetan, are you getting this question? Chetan?
Yes.
Try beta. Aman Bhargav?
Last posted it.
Yes, sir.
Beta, where you have posted? Wait.
So I in my program.
Okay, no problem. It is wrong, beta.
And the chat box.
It is wrong. Well try, but it is wrong.
Okay, sir.
Please check the logic. Hurry up, class. Should I explain now or later?
Sir, later.
Whoever has sent the table program on my WhatsApp, that was wrong, beta. The cube of each natural number was also Wrong. Karan, please check it. The printing has to be without double quotes in the SOPLN statement.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ishan, just wait for 2 minutes. I will explain this question right now. Okay? Don't worry. Wait for 1 minute. Today I will give one more homework that you need to try and you need to send me mail by today night 9 p.m. Okay, all of you, look at here. So what you are supposed to do in this question, do you remember? Okay, I am giving you, don't worry. Please do not leave the class. I will explain this question today only. Rudrakshi. Rudrakshi,
Sir, I have posted in the WhatsApp, sir.
Rudrakshi, yours is wrong, beta, but well try. Very good. But it is wrong, beta.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually, I didn't understand how to take out the factors.
The factors question I have already explained.
Sir, actually, I joined a bit late.
Okay, no problem. I will explain again. Karan, you have sent me the mail, WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
It is wrong, beta. See, all 3 programs today you have sent me and all are wrong.
Yes, sir.
Do the required correction. Your number is... Beta, wait. Karan, your number is 2220, na?
Yes, sir.
All 3 questions were wrong. Okay, now let me explain this question. Who is this? Aman Bhargav. Aman Bhargav, let me check. Very good. Well done. Aman Bhargav, question is absolutely fine, beta. So the same way I am going to explain. Let me explain. My question is, beta, wait now. Now let me explain. So now see, user is inputting the even number, and if the first even number is always 2, it must be n, and then you need to work on the even number. So the loop has to be like this only. So it's starting from even number till the even number, and how you are moving? Even by even. Am I clear this? After that, what you need to check? You need to check the factors condition, and the factors condition is always the number mod the loop variable, that is your I, and if it is 0, means if the remainder is coming 0, then the factors would be I only. So this is the even factor. If you want to print the odd factor, you can print like this also. Like in that case, the starting point has to 1. Now see, so the even factors are coming 2, 4, 10, 20. But the question was different. The question was to print the sum. Am I clear? Am I clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So in that case, the output would be outside of the loop. And what you will print? The sum. And now, what you will write? Sum equals to sum plus the factors, that is I. So the result is this. Now let me show you again. Now see, am I clear this? So the factors of 20 is 2, 4, 10 and 20. Am I clear? So the total sum is coming here 36.
Sir, find out also.
Pardon?
Sir, what mistake did I do?
Beta, may I know your name?
Rudrakshi.
Rudrakshi, just
My mistake, sir, I didn't add S.
yes. Let me tell you. Rudrakshi. Rudrakshi, you are doing n mod 2. That is wrong, na? N mod 2 means only the number you are checking for even or odd. You need to check for the factors. So n mod I.
So only this missing was there.
And you are doing printing. What you are printing? You are printing I into I. That is not required because in the question is totally different. Right? The question was to print sum of all even factors. Am I clear? All of you?
Yes.
Okay. So the next question is for your homework. Get ready for that. The homework is on your screen. Now see. Please note down everyone. The homework is on your screen. Print the factors of a number in descending order. Print the factors of any number in descending order. Am I clear? The question is clear or not? Now suppose the number you have entered 10. So the output must be 10, 5, 2, 1. Am I clear? If you have entered 6, so what will be the... Pardon?
Sir, it should be in the reverse order.
Descending order and the reverse order both are the same thing, beta.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, now it is correct, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, can
Yes, Rudrakshi. But the printing has to be outside of the loop body. Please pay attention. See, the loop body is ending here. After the loop only we are printing the result. Am I clear, Rudrakshi?
Yes, sir.
So the printing has to be outside of the loop, not inside the loop. This is the loop body. So after this loop, we are supposed to print the result. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Please do the correction. And now with this I am ending today's class. Thank you so much, class 8. Hope the things are clear, and please send your homework as soon as possible and fill the attendance. The Google form is already there.
Thank you, sir.
Okay beta, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye बच्चे.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Yashvardhan, please try the question yourself, okay? Come on.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Mayank beta.
Thank you, sir.
Bye class 8. Yes, Rudrakshi. Rudrakshi, still it is wrong, beta. You are printing inside the loop. You need to print outside of the loop, and then the system S must be capital. Okay, Rudrakshi. Rudrakshi. Rudrakshi, yours is still wrong, beta. You are printing inside the loop body. Print outside of the loop. Okay. Rudrakshi.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, Sumanyu. Please do the required correction in the notebook also, all of you.
Sir, but I have closed the loop body.
Beta, you have not closed the loop body. You have closed the condition. Hurry up, child.
हमने बस एक प्रोग्राम कराया है आज.
Rudrakshi, are you understood? Have you got it, beta?
I'm making the correction.
Please see the recording, you will get it, okay? Bye, beta.